Hi guys, it's Janeli. I'm here with the 2-second improvement. This was Jeff's idea, so today we're standardizing all of our base stations. All of the base stations around our facility are all different and unique in their own ways, so we got all of these to make them all look the same. This is our inspo picture right here, so you can see there's the scissors and the ruler and the box cutter and a highlighter, and then 2 Sharpies, a pen, and then our quote sheets. So this is the one we've got done so far. We're just missing the blue quote sheets right here. We're gonna get those printed and get those put in there. So I'm gonna get all of these made and put them all around our facility so they're standardized and they're all identical. I'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay, so we're back. I finished all the base stations. There is a couple things we're still missing, as you can see, and we need the rest of the box cutters and the quote sheets, but we're getting that done. But I got them all ready to go. So once we fill up what's needed, we're gonna put them out in the facility and we'll be done. That was a good 2-second improvement. Thank you, Jeff.